If you are a funded startup or a marketing team selling services to larger companies, you may often have a task to find lists of companies by technology. For example, list of companies using some ERP, list of e-commerce companies who are clients of Shopify, or maybe specific software clients as Power BI or HubSpot. It's always a pain, while this information not always publicly available. To solve this task, think about 𝗺𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗁, an omni-channel solution for B2B marketing. The company collects data from many sources and provides access to its own database of leads. They also enrich data with technology usage signals. Inside the platform, I go to Searcher, and here I have a standard big list of settings. I can target B2B or B2C companies, and one of the features is targeting by technology. For example, you're selling ERP implementation services, and you want to speak with companies already using a specific ERP, for example, Microsoft Dynamics 365. So I'm searching here a list of such ERP users in the US. I receive separately people and companies and can put them into a robust 𝗺𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗁 outreach funnel that includes automation in LinkedIn, email, voice, and cold calling sales channels. Another use case is when I'm an AI image generation service for e-commerce companies and I want to find e-commerce stores using Shopify platform for their business. As you see, I make a new lead generation list in a couple of clicks. The automation here looks same as in other similar outreach software. You just make a sequence of actions that may include LinkedIn likes and messages, sending emails one by one, adding voicemail or cold calls. The software reminds you what to do next and shows the manual and automated workflow. This solution is a bit pricey, so it's not suitable for SMBs. The idea behind is that it's a single place for all your B2B outreach needs, so it's a great match for companies making over $1 million revenue per annum, funded startups and serious marketing teams willing to grow fast and invest into growth. If you want 𝗺𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗁 with exclusive discount from me, send me inquiry or use the sign-up link in the description. If you need any sort of help with your marketing, you can always ping me. Discovery consultations are always free.